In January, I made $19,000. Right now, halfway through March, I've made 6. I've spent over 2 years building this business. 300 videos, hundreds of clients, and when I watched the revenue cut in half, I didn't just think it was a bad month. I was sure my business was dying. So I went looking for answers. And what I found is a reminder for all businesses, especially in these uncertain times. For the last year, I'd been hitting $15, $18, sometimes $20,000 months, consistently. I stopped worrying about money for the first time since I started. Then, in a few weeks, the calendar just emptied. Clients weren't booking, the pipeline went quiet, and when you're solo, no partner, no team, there's nobody to look at the numbers with you. Nobody to say, hey, this is normal. It's just you staring at a spreadsheet, wondering what went wrong. And that's when your brain starts doing something dangerous. Right in the middle of this, a creator I respect drops a video. AI is destroying education businesses. How-to content is dead. People go to ChatGPT now instead of YouTube, instead of consultants, instead of people like me. Bit of a gut punch. And I watched that and thought, that's it. That's what's happening to me. AI is replacing me. Why would anyone pay me when they can ask a chatbot for free? I started seeing proof everywhere. Client didn't rebook? AI. Slow week? AI. Prospect went quiet? They probably asked ChatGPT instead. Here's the thing. None of that was true. But it felt completely true because I had zero data and a lot of fear. And when you don't have data, fear writes the story for you. So I did the one thing I should have done from the beginning, and honestly, almost didn't. I opened the data, not just the monthly summary, the actual line items. Every client, every dollar, every month, going back 2 years. And what I found made me feel a little stupid, and was honestly so obvious it almost made me laugh. 8 clients finished their projects in the same window, a couple prepaid packages got used up, 1 coaching engagement wrapped, a big project delivered its final milestone. Nobody fired me. Nobody replaced me with AI. A bunch of work just ended at the same time. That's it. That was the whole crisis. My revenue didn't disappear. It graduated. Now here's why this matters for you. Because it's easy to catastrophize and just go with the fear in your gut in moments like this. I was ready to pivot my entire business based on a YouTube video that scared me. New niche, new offer, new strategy, all of it. And it would have been solving a problem I didn't have. The only reason I caught myself is because I had good data to check. And when I finally opened it, the truth was right there. Boring, specific, and fixable. But here's what hit me. Even with that data, I still almost got it wrong. I still spiraled for days before I looked. And even then, it only told me what already happened, not what was coming. My data wasn't a great system. It was just a rearview mirror. And most business owners I work with don't even have that. They can tell you roughly what they have in the bank, and maybe what they made last month. They can't tell you which clients are winding down, where their leads actually come from, or what their revenue looks like in 60 days. And when things go wrong, and they're going to eventually, they do exactly what I almost did. They panic and overcompensate, or stick their heads in the sand and pray it corrects soon. Neither is a good option. You can't separate feelings from facts if you don't have the facts, and you can't get the facts from a spreadsheet you update when you remember to. So the data calmed me down, but it also showed me I needed to make changes, just not the ones I thought. I didn't need a new business. I didn't need a new niche. I needed a real system, not a spreadsheet I open when I'm already scared. So here's what I'm building now in ODOO. And embarrassingly enough, it's the same platform I set up for my clients every day. Link tracking so I can see exactly where every lead comes from, YouTube, LinkedIn, a referral, whatever. Pipeline visibility so I can see when clients are winding down before my revenue falls off a cliff instead of after. And real reporting, not just how much did I make, but where is next month coming from. This is what an ERP is supposed to do. It's supposed to give you the answers before you need to ask the questions. And I've been building this for other people's businesses for 2 years. I just never built it for my own. So I didn't need to panic. I needed to practice what I preach. So I went from, my business is dying, to, I need to build the same system I build for everyone else. And the only thing that changed was actually looking at the data. If you're making decisions in your business right now based on a gut feeling, whether that's panic or optimism, you're guessing. And guessing works right up until it doesn't. If you don't have a system that shows you where your money's coming from, who's about to stop paying you, and what's actually working, You need one. That's what I help people build. Links in the description if you want to talk about it. And yeah, I still worry that AI is going to replace me, but we can talk about that another time. Or you can drop a comment below and we can go off on it. Oh, and because I'm a mass of contradictions, here's some videos basically on how to replace me with AI. Go nuts.